A very good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Okay, in last class we discussed about profit and loss unit. In that one, we discussed cost price and selling price. How can we find out cost price and selling price in given problem? Profit and loss is there. Okay, that one exercise 9.2. Take out the textbook, page number 84. In your textbook, page number 84, up to 6 problems completed. Yes, I given homework. Okay, some are children only sent homework. What about remaining students? Anyone not doing homework? Simply listening and living, I think. Okay, those who are not sent homework, those members, today you send to me. Okay, homework. Second one and fourth one and sixth one. Do your own and send me. Okay, next, some are children did not collect your worksheet. What? Shivamani, what about you? On your videos, K. Shivamani, Meghana, Ajay, Rashekar, Srishant, Basa Varshit, today you listening class. What happened, boy? Tomorrow onwards you come to school first. You come to school and listen in school only. Okay? Morning 10 o'clock only you come to school. Boda Gautam. Who are you, boy? Gautam? Show me your face first. Gautam. Some are children did not collect worksheet, boy. Only 22 members only collected. What I explained? Still now 10-15 members are there. Dulam Satvik. Dulam Satvik is there. Who is this boy? Boda Gautam. Unmute your boy. Unmute yourself. Gautam. What is your name?
Name.
S-U-N.
Name.
Nana. G.
Teacher.
G.
Gautam.
Gautam.
Which class?
G.
Which class? Which class?
Okay.
Class.
UKG.
UKG.
Okay, this is not UKG, Nana. This is 5th class. Okay? You open another link. I think teacher is friend. You open another link. This is 5th class, not UKG class. Okay? You left the class first. Okay, good. Okay. Navanita, hi. How are you, Amma? Hi, very good. Hi. After long time you listening classes. What happened there? I think you did not collect first, second, third. 3 worksheets you did not collect. Tomorrow you come to school first. Okay? Come to school and collect your worksheets. And next, daily you listen the classes also. Okay? Don't neglect Amma. Next, Shivamani, you also take your worksheet. Shivamani. Ajay on your video. Ajay and Tulasi and Rajashekar. On your videos, don't hide your videos. Cheva Sai Teja, Vignesh, Reveli Sanjay, they not listening class. Okay, very good children. Okay, we are discussing about cost price. How can we find out cost price and selling price for given problem? What Sana? What is your doubt, Amma? Unmute yourself.
Teacher, third worksheet schedule when sending teacher?
Third worksheet.
Schedule.
Schedule. Okay. Third worksheet schedule in tomorrow. We will sit them in groups. Okay. Okay. Next. 7th one. Exercise 9.2. Seventh one, Amma. What is seventh one here given? See once. Read the problem. A merchant sold a bicycle for rupees 1,325 and lost rupees 150. Here, selling price, sold price of bicycle given, and next what given here? Loss also given. Okay, loss also given. And for how much did he buy the bicycle? So, what is the cost price of bicycle? Okay, selling price given and loss given. What formula we have to use here? Cost price equal. Already yesterday I explained formulas. Shall I write? Profit equal SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. Next, loss equal cost price minus selling price. Next, selling price equal profit plus cost price. Next, cost price equal selling price minus profit. Next, cost price equal loss plus selling price. Next, selling price equal to cost price minus loss. Okay. Now here given loss and selling price. Okay. Which formula we have to use here? Cost price formula. What is the cost price formula? Loss plus selling price. Okay. First of all, you have to write statements of problem. Given problem. A merchant sold a bicycle for rupees 1,325. Teacher, first and second. Okay. Selling price. Selling price of bicycle. $1,325. Next, loss. Loss how much? 150 rupees. Now we can find out here how much did he buy the bicycle. Okay, cost price of bicycle. What cost of bicycle? Okay, cost price of bicycle. Now first, cost price. First and second worksheet result when giving teacher. Domati Rutvik. Okay. After the class, you call me boy. I will say your marks. Okay. Cost price equal. See once. Cost price equal loss plus SP. Or SP plus loss. Selling price plus loss. Selling price plus loss. Okay. Selling price is 1,325 plus loss is 150. What is the total? Addition. 1,325 plus 150. Add 325 plus 150. Add cost. Very easy. 300, 100, 400, 25 and 50, 75, 475. Next, 1,475. 1,475 is cost price of bicycle. Cost price of bicycle is 1,475. Complete this one. Did you understand, Amma? Okay, same remaining up to 12 problems, 8th one, 9th one, 10th one, 11th one, 12th one, same as it is. As it is means the given problem, what is there? Once you read first, cost price given or selling price given or loss or profit given, we have to find out what. Once you read and write statement and find out the cost price or selling price, find out that one. Okay. If any problem explanation want, okay, you can send message. I will explain that one only. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Which one you want? Ask. Say fast. Complete this one and say fast. Revision exercise. Revision exercise also same as it is profit and loss. Find out the profit or loss or cost price or selling price. 10th one. Okay. 10th one I will explain. Okay, complete this one. 10th one and 11th one. Next. Remaining members. Ask 7th one, 6th one, 8th one, 9th one. Okay, 10th and 11th I will explain. Remaining problems complete your own children. Okay, completed? Good. Next 10th one. Once read the problem. Star Video Home sold a CD player. Okay, CD player. Selling price here given. What cost of CD here given? 7,200. Okay, 7,200 rupees is CD player sold price, selling price. He sold. Okay, next and gained rupees 950. Gained money. Gained means gain. Profit. Okay, gain is profit. Next, gained money is 950. Then we have to find out here cost price. Okay, profit and selling price given here. Profit and selling price here given, and find out the cost price. What is the cost price formula? Selling price minus profit. Selling price minus profit. Subtract profit. Subtract from selling price. Selling price is 7,200 and profit is 950. 7,200 minus 950. Then we will get answer. Okay, selling price of CD player. $7,200. Okay, next here not loss, profit, gain. Gain 950. The gain is 950. Next, cost price of what is the cost price? Find the cost price of CD player. Cost price equal selling price minus profit. Selling price minus gain. Gain. $7,200 minus 950. Subtract them. Cost price of CD player. Subtract 7,200 minus 950. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, 5. Next, here 1. 11. 11 minus 9, 2. Next one, 6. 6,200 and 200, not 300. 6,250. 6,350 or 250. Bhavani, check once again, do subtraction. Yes, 0 minus 0, 0. Again 0 minus 5 is 5, but you have to take borrowing first. 0. Take borrowing from 2. Then 2 become 1. 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Next 7 becomes 6. 6,250 rupees. Okay, 6,250 rupees is cost price of CD player. Cost price of CD player. The right problem and solution also. Problem in your textbook is there. In your textbook, page number 85. Now I explained 7th one and 10th one. Next, now I am going to explain 11th one. After remaining problems, try to your own and send me. Complete. Write down, children. Completed. Next 11th one. What is 11th one? Same 11th one also here given. Sold price only, selling price only. A farmer sold a pair of bullock for rupees 12,650. Yes, sold price, selling price of a pair of bullocks 12,650, and loss here given loss, same first 7th one problem, right? Here selling price given and loss given. Selling price minus loss plus selling price. Loss given. That loss is in the transaction. For how much did he buy the pair of bullocks? Okay, what is the cost price of pair of bullocks? Okay. Now selling price of pair of bullocks. $12,650. Next loss is 900. ₹900. Okay, next cost price of a pair of bullocks. Now here loss plus selling price, or selling price plus loss. Selling price is 12,650 and plus loss is 900. What is the total of cost price of bullock pairs of bullock? Add 650 and 900. 9 plus 6, 15. 1550. 1550 means 13,000. 13,150. 13,500. 13,500. Once you add 900, 650. 1550. It's 1550. 950 or 900? 950. Now 13,550. 0. Next 5. 9 plus 6, 15. And next 30. 13,550 is cost price of a pair of rulers. Okay, did you understand, ma? Everyone? 7th one and 10th one and 11th one. Remaining 8th one, 9th one, 12th one, try to your own. And complete and send me pic. Okay, understand. Okay, still if you have any doubt, raise your hand. In your mobile, raise your hand. I will clarify your doubt. About this topic, if you have any doubt, okay, you can ask. First, these formulas very, very important, children. Learn perfectly. Okay, tomorrow I will ask in class. Okay, what is loss formula and profit formula, cost price and selling price? When in given problem, profit and loss is there. Okay, what is the cost price formula and selling price formula? Perfectly learn. And those who are not collected worksheet, come to school and collect your worksheet, children. Daily I am calling some are children not coming. Chaba Sai Teja and Navanita. Next, Meghana. Meghana, what about you? Okay, 19 students, 18 students. At the end of the class also, they are not listening class. Starting 20 children are there, now 18 students only. Total class completed after only you left the class. Why are left in middle of the class only? Can I done? Now 17. You Rizwan, I think Rizwan Rayan. Why are you disturbing boy? Don't disturb to others. Rayan. Shiva Sai Teja, on your video? Are you listening or writing or what doing? How can I know? On your videos? Ajay, Vasavarshit. On your video. Don't hide your videos. Okay, Vignesh. On your video, boy. Okay. Okay, students. I hope you understand today's class. And now I am going to conclude this class, children. Okay, what I am given homework, you complete and send me pic. And at the same time, you complete your pay notes also, children. Okay, those who are completed, you come to school. I will do correction. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you, everyone. What is homework? Today's homework, here, 7th one and 10th one, 11th one, I explained. Remaining problems are there now from exercise 9.2. That is homework for you. Complete your own. Try to your own. Okay, then if you have any doubt, okay, you can call me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, students. Thank you, everyone.